Your MCP server exposes a weather tool, but you want clients to only request Miami forecasts without changing the server code. We'll see how to transform tool definitions in the client configuration, setting default values and hiding parameters to create a specialized interface. The pattern lets you customize tool behavior per client while keeping the server implementation unchanged.
Tool transformations equals weather get forecast, name Miami weather, description get the weather for Miami, arguments city, name city, default Miami, hide true, config equals MCP servers, weather URL https://weather-example.com/mcp, transport http, tools tool transformations.
This demonstrates the configuration as code pattern for tool transformation in RPC systems. The approach uses declarative JSON structures to modify tool behavior and interfaces at runtime without altering the underlying implementation. What makes this distinctive is the separation between tool definition and tool presentation, enabling client-specific customizations through configuration rather than code changes. The pattern works by applying transformation rules during the client-server handshake. When a client connects using MCP JSON configuration, the transport layer interprets the tool transformations and dynamically adjusts the exposed interface, modifying names, hiding parameters, or setting defaults before presenting the tools to the client. This creates a clean abstraction where the same server can present different interfaces to different clients based purely on configuration. This approach solves the problem of interface fragmentation across multiple clients or use cases. Instead of maintaining separate tool implementations or API versions, you define a single implementation and transform its interface declaratively. It's particularly valuable for multi-tenant systems, AI integrations where tool naming must match specific schemas, or scenarios requiring progressive disclosure of functionality. The trade-off is added complexity in configuration management, but the benefit is significantly reduced code duplication. Let's break it down line by line.
Tool transformations equals.
This defines a transformation mapping for AI tools. It standardizes tool names, descriptions, and arguments before exposing them to AI models, ensuring consistent interfaces and hiding implementation details.
Weather get forecast.
This defines the tool's unique identifier in the MCP configuration. The key, weather get forecast, maps to the AI callable function, enabling the model to request this specific tool by name. This naming convention ensures precise tool selection during AI execution.
Name Miami weather.
This defines the tool's exposed name in the MCP system. AI models will reference this exact string to call the weather tool, so it must be unique across all registered tools.
Description: get the weather for Miami.
This human-readable description becomes the tool's interface documentation for AI models. It defines what the tool does in natural language, enabling the AI to understand when and why to call it. Without clear descriptions, tools become unusable by AI systems.
Arguments.
This defines the tool's input parameters, mapping Python function arguments to the AI callable interface. Each key becomes a named parameter in the tool schema, with optional metadata like defaults and visibility controls. This pattern standardizes how tools expose their interface to AI models.
City.
This defines the city parameter in the tool's argument schema. It specifies the input field for the weather tool, with a default value and visibility control to simplify the API for AI callers.
Name, city.
This defines the parameter name as city for the tools schema. AI models will use this exact key when passing arguments, ensuring consistent data structure between the model and your Python function.
Default, Miami.
Sets a default value of Miami for the city parameter. This eliminates the need for explicit city specification in API calls while still allowing overrides when needed. A common pattern for optional parameters with sensible defaults.
Hide, true.
This hides the city parameter from the AI's view. The tool will always use Miami as the default value, preventing the AI from overriding it with different city inputs. Useful when you need to lock down specific parameters for security or consistency. This closing brace terminates the nested arguments dictionary for the weather-get-forecast tool, finalizing the parameter configuration where we set the default city to Miami and hid the parameter from user input. It maintains proper JSON-like structure while keeping the tool's interface clean by internalizing the city value. This closing brace terminates the arguments dictionary for the weather-get-forecast tool transformation. It finalizes the nested structure that defines default values and visibility settings for the tool's parameters, ensuring the configuration remains valid JSON. This closing brace terminates the tool transformation's dictionary definition, completing the configuration for the weather tool. It ensures proper JSON serialization and prevents syntax errors when this config is loaded by the MCP server. This closing brace terminates the tool transformation's dictionary definition, finalizing the configuration for the weather tool. It ensures proper Python syntax while maintaining clean separation between the tool definitions and the broader server configuration that follows.
Config equals.
This initializes the configuration dictionary that defines all MCP server connections and their exposed tools. It serves as the central manifest for FastMCP's runtime behavior, mapping server endpoints to their available tool transformations.
MCP servers.
Defines the MCP server configuration section. This is where you register all external MCP servers your application will communicate with, including their URLs, transport protocols, and available tools. The structure mirrors FastMCP's server registry pattern for centralized service management.
Weather.
This defines the weather server configuration key. It groups all weather-related MCP server settings, including the URL, transport protocol, and tool definitions, under a single logical namespace.
URL. https://weather example.com/mcp.
This defines the MCP server endpoint. The URL points to the weather service's MCP interface, where AI tool calls will be routed for execution.
Transport, HTTP.
Specifies the communication protocol for the MCP server connection. Using HTTP here means the server will handle requests over standard HTTP, which is simpler than alternatives like WebSockets or gRPC, but sufficient for basic tool calls. This matches the Weather API's transport layer in the configuration.
Tools, tool transformations.
This links the transformed tool definitions to the MCP server configuration. The tools key maps the server to its available AI callable functions, using the standardized schema from tool transformations. This pattern centralizes tool definitions, making them reusable across multiple server configurations. This closing brace terminates the nested arguments dictionary for the weather-get-forecast tool. It maintains proper JSON-like structure, ensuring the configuration remains valid for FastMCP's tool registration system. Closing brace terminates the tool transformations dictionary definition, finalizing the mapping of tool configurations. This ensures the structure is complete before being referenced in the config dictionary's tools field. This closing brace terminates the tool transformations dictionary definition, finalizing the configuration structure for the weather tool. It ensures proper JSON serializable structure before being nested into the broader config object. Tool transformation pattern. FastMCP's tool transformations create a controlled interface between servers and clients, where the server defines what the client sees through name changes, hidden arguments, and default values. The transformation layer doesn't modify the original tool. It only changes how clients perceive and interact with it. This separation lets you adapt tools to specific clients without altering server-side logic.
The argument that vanishes from the client still answers every call.